Alright, today we have this Tucker. We call it Orange Blossom. This is orange. It is a no start. It was running and it started stalling. It'd start and stall. No, it just doesn't start. Trying to look at it a little bit. So it's a 5.9 Cummins 12 valve in it. And I think it's a fuel pickup screen is plugged again. We've had an issue with that. But first we're going to check the voltage at the shutoff for the fuel. And it is reading voltage, so that should be working. Next we're going to see if we have fuel coming to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack, I think I'm going to crack a fuel filter here and see if I crank the engine over for a little pump and I can pump fuel out. So that's what we'll start with.
For the weekend.
Alright, so I ended up cracking the primary fuel filter just because the tools I brought out. I put a remote starter on it, keys on. You're gonna see if the mechanical pump will pump the fuel. Okay, we are definitely getting fuel. There, so now we'll crack a line and just see. Alright, so now we're coming over to this side. We're going to crack an injector line. Let's see if we get a pulse out of here.
We're going to need to fill it a couple more times, as always.
Okay, so crack that out. Now we're going to pull the starter back over here. You can see I got a exciter wire, I got the battery on, I got hooked up to the battery, the jumper, so I can excite the starter. So we're gonna watch and see if we get any fuel coming out. I get air.
I have conquered all the fence that is done.
Definitely got fuel there.
Alright.
So I wonder if this thing did gel and starve itself. That did look like some air. Let's check another one. This has been sitting for a month or so because it was at the end of the season when we needed it. Oh yeah, there's air in there. She's trying to start. So maybe get gelled. Crack one more. Now, of course, newer diesels, you don't want to do this to it, because those lines can be one-time use. You want to make sure you know. Alright. As you can hear, it's starting to fire. So we might have fixed it.
mark. You copy?
Crack this one. Usually if you get these to start on 1 or 2 cylinders, she will take over.
Hey, are you guys clear of lift 4? Can I start this thing? Give me 1 minute.
Let's try that now.